so awesome. Have you ever received the water bills extremely high? And do you ever wonder possible might be a water leak in the house? But my water bill is extremely high and I'm not sure if the water is leaking from the street to the meter or meter to the house. So today I'm gonna attempt to figure out where the water is leaking and how to find it and how to fix that problem so that this house can have a regular running water. It could be the water could be leaking from a street to the meter, or it could be a meter to the house. First, you want to check the sink and see if there's any water leak from the tap to underneath the sink. Touch around the joints inside that and look for any wetness. So this kitchen is great. Okay, in the bathroom, you want to do the same thing. Look for any signs of water leakage or slow leak. Let's check underneath. Look for any joints. Looks dry. Right underneath there. Look for any joints. And water supply are cold. Looks dry. And the hot side, same thing. Looks dry. Looking at the city water meter and open it. And when you open it, be careful with this electronic. Let me see if I can do close up. And you can tell inside the water, inside the house, water is not being used. I checked all the toilets, everything's been fixed. And you can tell that the water is slowly leaking by changing the numbers. And so now I'm trying to go inside the house and shut off the main valve. Okay, I'm here at the main house water valve, and here's the water valve right here. And to shut it off, all you gotta do is just lift or go down like this to shut it off. And then let's check the meter. Yes, it does. So the house is being shut off completely, and so this indicates water is leaking from here to somewhere along the house. But a couple days ago, I checked in here, see if I wonder if this might be the problem of leaking the water, slowly leaking. And I do see the wetness here. And let me see if I can do a little more close up and see. And there is water about 4 feet, 5 feet deep. So I assuming the water leak is coming from here. I'm not 100% sure, but I am attempting to dig the hole and replace it. So not knowing what I need about everything, whatever I can think of to buy. So this is a downspout. This will be connected like this. You gotta insert to go according to the little arrow, which going towards the house. So this will be screwed in like this, and this goes inside right here, and then having in a coupler screwed here, an elbow attached like this, go up to the sprinkler's head. A sprinkler system is what I'm trying to fix like this. You must use, it's called a Blue Monster glue. For anything for PVC attachment, you can use the primer, purple primer, and PVC weld. After digging for 4 hours, we finally found a leaking water, and it's right down there. and it's a waste, what do you call that? The shut off and waste valve. That's where the water is leaking. This is the one causing $153 a month water bill. So today I cannot complete it because it's raining. So I took it apart, waste valve right there on this side, and I cut the PVC from there to up there. And so far this is what it looks like. So now we're ready for assembly. Before you assemble this, you got to make sure that you have the arrow shows right there, going that way. So that's coming inside the city water and go out to the sprinkler system. So we're gonna go ahead and put the blue monster Teflon in here. Bring that stuff. To cover it so we won't get any dirt inside. Now we're taking that one apart and ready to connect from there to PVC, which look like that. Putting Teflon tape on the clockwise. PVC, you want to be able to use a purple primer for the first one to be able to clean the PVC, and the second process is to use well done PVC glue on. So let's go ahead and apply. And then you want to be able to put purple stuff as coupled inside well as well. Nice. And twist and turn and stop. Grab, grab, grab. Here comes the moment, and see if we done it or not. Let's go ahead and zoom up, and we turned it on, and I can hear the water going through there. So far, no sign of leak. We did good. We did awesome. Look at that. Oh, not so awesome. Come on. Oh, not so awesome. Hello guys, okay, so I'm gonna do an update for you guys. Remember the last video of last year's, I dug a trench right here. Can you see the orange cone right here? And so, and this is the area that I dug around to fix the waste and valve right here for the sprinkler system shut off. And there was a lot of water was leaking out of there, and the water bill was just shooting up like a rocket. But there was another issues along the path right here all the way to the house, where there's 4 different locations. Boom, 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 boom was leaking water crazy. So even for this house, water bill was shooting up crazy, and the sewer bill was gone up with it. So it didn't make a whole lot of sense, and all that. And it's been a year now, and where it's been fixed with this part for my part did, and this part I had to hire a plumber because I work 10 to 14 hours a day where I don't have enough time to dig trenches and install and all that stuff. So I had to hire a plumber, a professional plumber to, because he had the trench digger and all that stuff, and he charged me $2,500 for it to get it fixed and all that. And so that is the update, and I've been turning it on this year for the last week, turning on, and everything works perfect. It drained, winterized just fine over the winter and all that stuff, no issues whatsoever. So that is the update I have for you. And so I appreciate you guys watching my video, and I see you guys next video. And thank you so much.